Xo'p, o'tgan mavzuyimizni davom ettirgan holda have, ya'ni have got bilan have negativ shakli, ya'ni inkor shakli haqida gaplashamiz. Ya'ni I don't have and I haven't got. Aytganimdek, ma'no jihatdan farqi yo'q. Faqatgina negativ shaklini yasashda va savol shaklida ham farqi bor. Uni keyingi mavzuda gaplashamiz. Shakl yasashda farqi bor. Ya'ni faqat have o'zini ishlatmoqchi bo'lsanglar, I, we, you, they don't have bo'ladi. He, she, it doesn't have bo'ladi. Esdan chiqarmaymiz. Agar have o'zinigina ishlatmoqchi bo'lsak, bizga do bilan does kerak bo'ladi. I, we, you, they don't have. He, she, it doesn't have. Hech qachon don't have got degan narsa yo'q. Esdan chiqarmaymiz. Agar ya'ni gotli shaklini ishlatmoqchi bo'lsanglar, bizga I, we, you, they haven't got, ya'ni have o'ziga notni qo'shamiz va gotni yoniga yozamiz, bo'ldi. Ya'ni I haven't degan narsa yo'q. I haven't got degan narsa bor. We haven't got, they haven't got, you haven't got, I haven't got. Yoki he, she, it da ham xuddi shunaqa. He, she, it hasn't got, has not got deb aytilmaydi hech qachon. Hasn't got, haven't got, have not got emasda, haven't got. Ya'ni qisqartirilgan shakldan foydalaniladi. Esdan chiqarmaymiz. Ya'ni agar deylik, misol uchun deylik, menda olma yo'q demoqchi bo'lsanglar, sizlar aytishinglar mumkin. I don't have an apple. Bu bitta varianti. I don't have an apple yoki I haven't got an apple deyishinglar mumkin. Sizlar hech qachon aytolmaysizlar, ya'ni aytish mumkin emas. Ya'ni I haven't an apple. I haven't an apple degan narsa yo'q. Hech qachon I haven't an apple degan narsa yo'q. Ishlatmaymiz bunaqa narsani. I haven't an apple degan narsa yo'q. Ya'ni mana bu narsa xato. I haven't an apple yoki teskarisi. Ya'ni deylik, I don't have got an apple. I don't have got an apple degan narsa ham yo'q. Bunaqa narsa yo'q. Bu ham 100% xato. Adashtirmaymiz. Bu ham xato bo'ladi. I don't have got an apple bo'lmaydi. Ya'ni faqatgina mana bu strukturadagi bilan bir xil bo'ladi. Ya'ni I, we, you, they don't have, he, she, it doesn't have something. Nimadir? I, we, you, they haven't got, he, she, it hasn't got bo'ladi. Endi misollarni ko'radigan bo'lsak, I don't have a car. Menda mashina yo'q. Or I haven't got a car bo'ldi. They don't have any children. Ularda bolalari umuman yo'q. Ya'ni umuman bolalari yo'q. They haven't got any children. Ularda umuman bolalar yo'q. It's a nice house. Chiroyli uy. Bu chiroyli uy. But it doesn't have a garden. Lekin uni bog'i yo'q. Or it hasn't got a garden. Amy doesn't have a job at the moment. Ya'ni Amy hozir ishi yo'q. Or Amy hasn't got a job. Xuddi shunaqa yoki buni ishlatamiz, yoki buni ishlatamiz. Hech qachon bu ikkalasini aralashtirib ishlatib bo'lmaydi. Adashtirmaymiz.